If you're struggling with deep fatigue, the kind that doesn't go away with rest, you're not alone. I've been there too. This exhaustion that makes even simple tasks feel overwhelming, well, it's frustrating. But here's what most people don't realize. Chronic fatigue isn't just about not getting enough sleep. Your brain and your nervous system play a massive role in your energy levels. And that's where neural retraining comes in. Fatigue isn't just physical. Your brain is constantly processing signals from your body, from your emotions, and from your environment. And when your nervous system gets stuck in survival mode, whether from stress or illness or past experiences, it keeps draining your energy, no matter how much you rest. If your brain is stuck in this energy-draining loop, no amount of sleep or supplements or healthy eating will fully bring back your energy. That's why so many people feel stuck. Neural retraining is about resetting your brain's response to stress, exhaustion, and energy regulation. It teaches your nervous system that you're safe, allowing it to shift from burnout into healing and renewal. By using self-directed neuroplasticity, you can teach your brain new patterns that support deep rest and healing and natural energy production instead of staying stuck in constant exhaustion. So how do you do this? Well, here are 3 simple steps that you can start today. 1, cultivate a positive emotional state. Your brain listens to emotional signals. If your default state is stress, your body stays drained. But if you introduce moments of joy and calm, safety and peace, your nervous system begins to shift. 2nd is to rewire your stress response. Many with chronic fatigue experience subconscious stress triggers, even if they don't feel mentally stressed. Using techniques like breath work or visualization, self-compassion, you can train your brain to react differently. And 3rd is to practice small, consistent neural resets. Big changes happen through small daily shifts. A 5-minute neural retraining practice like a guided visualization or nervous system resets can help your body remember how to recharge naturally. So if you're feeling stuck in fatigue, there's hope. I know this because I've used neural retraining to completely transform my own energy levels, and I've helped others to do the same. I invite you to start your own neural retraining journey. Subscribe to my channel for more tools and check out my book, Rewire Your Wellness, on getting started with neural retraining. It's linked in the description below. Your energy isn't gone. It's just waiting for the right signals to return. You can rewire your wellness and reclaim your life and joy. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. What is the biggest challenge you face with fatigue? I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you where I can. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.